right, we're here at Abbott, one of the greatest companies in America, I will say that. And I'm here with Ryan Lakin. Hi, Ryan. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
All right, good. So, what's the latest in the in your field? What you come up with is going to save people's lives.
Yep.
Tell us what you have going.
Yeah, I mean, for us, we continue to be hyper-focused on connecting patients to their information and helping them inform themselves to make better decisions about their health. We think there's probably nothing more important than knowing yourself and knowing your health and being able to manage your health as much as you desire. At the same time, we're super excited about connecting those patients with their healthcare providers, and I think we've been doing that for years now. And so if it's through our continuous glucose monitoring product, which is Freestyle Libre, or if it's through our advanced technologies that get implanted that allow those connected devices that data to be shared with their physician to better connect them to their healthcare provider, I think we feel like we will continue to do that. We're super excited about what we're working on.
I already did a show on that one, on that glucose. Tell us about that again, because I did a specific. Abbott came to me and said, why don't you talk about this? Because health is wealth, right?
Yeah.
You cannot spend. You don't have enough money to equal health. You just got to be healthy.
Yeah, I mean, for us, Freestyle Libre is a market-leading continuous glucose monitor. So for people with diabetes, the opportunity to take this complex disease, enable them to understand what's happening on a minute-by-minute basis, but in a very simple way, boil down to a single number, understand and relate to what do they need to be doing to maybe eat differently or take insulin or better manage their health as a diabetic. And we've been doing that for years now. We have about 5 million people that use Freestyle Libre. At the same time, we've taken that technology and now we're putting it into BioWearable device, which is our product line called Lingo, which is initially being utilized out of the United Kingdom, and that is for people with metabolic health to be able to better manage themselves for those who aren't diabetics. And so we've leveraged this great technology for people with continuous glucose monitoring. At the same time, we're leveraging that for a large biowearable population just to better manage their health.
I'm staying with my college fraternity buddy in Henderson. I've been staying with, when he left college, he said, there's only one thing I want to do. I want to be a poker player. 50 years later, he's still a poker player. Now, but the only thing I don't like about him is he has no bread in the house. So I say, what's the deal here? He goes, and he lost a lot of weight. He's annoying. He says, became a diabetic. The diabetic is, once you got it, it's pretty hard to get rid of it. Isn't that so?
Yeah, I mean, people really work hard to manage their health as much as they can, and I think Freestyle Libre has been a great tool to really help people who have diabetes better manage themselves through that disease.
Can it tell you how close you are? This word pre-diabetic. Does it have any bearing on that?
I think if people get prescribed the Libre sensor, it'll allow them to understand the changes in their glucose, and they can also then correlate that to the types of food that they eat. But
pre-diabetic.
People who are indicated with diabetes.
With real diabetes, okay.
Diabetes.
Now, I saw somebody wearing some kind of a coat or something. Did I see somebody either just trying on something here? Do you have any other products here?
Yeah, we have a number of other products. I think our Bear DR, which is our leadless pacemaker, the first leadless pacemaker. So this is a huge innovation, which is a tube which will fit into the chamber of the heart. So really small. So both of these get placed in the heart, where previously people would have to have a device with leads that go into the heart. This is now a device that'll, as a pacemaker, and communicate beat to beat between these, as well as communicate information outside of the patient to the healthcare provider.
So is this surgically implanted?
It's implanted through through a delivery system inside of your heart, so it doesn't require full surgery. It requires something similar to
goes up like a stent.
It goes up like a stent. Wow. How about anything else? You got any more?
We have a new device called Assert IQ, which is a cardiac monitor, which gets placed just underneath the skin, which will, for up to 6 years, will 24/7 monitor your heart and irregular heart rhythms, and then communicate that information as well and alerts to the physician, as well as it allows the physician to remotely program and change the settings on that device, so the patient can be changed from the comfort of their home.
So, and it only only a physician gets the information, or can you get the information too?
Most at this time, most of the information is information for the physician to make decisions.
To make the decision. If I stub my toe, I go to my doctor.
Yeah.
So you know.
Yeah, we're really trying to get to whereby people can manage their health in the comfort of their home or wherever they happen to be, and really, as much as possible, allow them to live a healthy life without having to go to the doctor if they don't need to go to the doctor.
What do you like about your job?
I get to change people's lives.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I get to create technologies at scale and work for a great company like Abbott, who does it on a global scale and improve people's lives. I've been doing it for a long time, and I love it.
All right, good. Now you just went in business, what, a couple weeks ago?
Yeah.
What are we talking, 100 years? How long?
135 years.
135 years.
135 years of leadership.
All right, you don't make bad products in 135 years and stay in business. Thanks so much.
Okay, thanks.